Hey group leaders, it's Michelle with ASD, here to help you get a jump on your group travel plans. If you're looking for an educational day trip or an overnight trip to Houston, then we have the place for you. It's the Children's Museum of Houston. The museum was founded in 1980 by a group of Houston parents who hope to elevate early childhood development to a community-wide priority. Since then, the museum has grown to serve more than 1 million children and families every year. The museum focuses on bilingual learning programs for kids ages birth to 12. You'll find workshops in literacy, science, math, health, engineering, civic engagement, and cultural and social studies. There's something new to do every day at the Children's Museum of Houston. It's packed with 90,000 square feet of interactive exhibits and offers 14 hands-on galleries with plenty of fun and learning to be had. First-time visitors should schedule at least 4 hours. And if your group gets hungry, no worries. The Fresh Cafe offers nutritious eats and treats for any time of the day. The Children's Museum also offers plenty of extra activities throughout the year, including events for spring break, Ninja Warrior shows, human hamster balls, and much, much more. You can follow them on Facebook for all upcoming events. Call AST today to start planning your next class trip to Houston. And while you're here, please subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook for more fun travel tidbits. Until next time.